Dear SD29, because I love you as much as I do, I decided to write a poem for you. So with your permission, I think I'll start with our sweet, lovely Sue. This powerful boss lady turned sassy siren on the dance floor. Who knew that I'd get lucky enough to be her buddy in level 2? Sue continually tracked our CSP numbers. She's always kept us straight. She is such a sweetheart and always focuses out and never hesitates to put more on her plate. Next up, there's Whitney. This woman's freaking fire. She's a renegade. She's pulled our team out of multiple breakdowns, reminding us that there's always a bigger game to be played. Andy, I love you, my brother. I trust you with my whole heart. Your warm, genuine smile and your integrous, grounded ways hooked me straight from the start. And then there's Nathalia. This humble visionary, so beautiful, vibrant, and wise. Every time I look into her eyes, she makes me feel alive. Then we got Patty, and thank God we do. This woman's driven. She's on a mission. She exudes excellence in all that she do. Patty is in flow. She is on course with her beautiful life's path. She is a force to be reckoned with, a force for good. She's changing the world one life at a time, and it's happening fast. Marlis, sister, power, wild, gorgeous, and free. Let the world hear you roar, my love. You are the love, the brave example, and the permission that others seek. Joel, you are a true gentleman, patient, respectful, and kind. Your mastery and insight are elite level. Your research and preparation perfectly timed. Then there's the party animal of our team. Yup, I'm talking about Beth. She's the promoter with the mostest. When we're being nerdy and difficult, she still shows us love because compassion is her focus. She sees the greatness in others when no one else does, and she never stops giving. She is the epitome of selfless love. John Z, I love you so much, brother. Being around you feels like home. Whenever I want to talk to you, you always pick up the phone. There isn't a better father out there. You'd do anything for sweet Ari, including sign up for a 4-month-long leadership course and do a bunch of weird exercises with strangers and act crazy. Madison, you're a total smoke show. Bodacious babe with an all pulled together playful vibe. You're all class with a touch of sass. You're the most amazing friend anyone could ever ask for, and I always want you in my tribe. Johnny, bro, you're a friggin' stud. GQ model with a lifetime of wisdom and a twinkle in your eyes. Johnny is leading the new wave of masculine enlightenment. Mother Earth shall receive rest when he decides. Tanya, guys, she's our team's secret weapon. She is calming presence. She is low-key brilliance. She embodies quiet strength. She exudes purest love. Tanya's here to teach us humility and patience, and it's our honor to support her, as for us, she endlessly does. Craig's a joyful kindred spirit. He plays, he laughs, he loves. He risks it all and still has fun. His way of being is pure magic, and it shows in all that he does. Andreas, brother, angel, I believe the 7th dimensional starlit realms are where you roam. You are a beacon of light in a dark place, my friend. You bring hope where there is none. Keep shining, gentle brother. Don't ever dim your light. Reach out and grab the reins of leadership that are surely yours. Don't ever let go. Keep holding tight. Passionate Adam, the innovator and go-getter, and humble student, you keep introducing us to new and exciting versions of you. You'll never give up, not on your dreams or on your people. You're on your way to a 10x life, and to think it all started with a cool idea for a shoe. Cassie, you bold, sexy, fierce woman! You are the true embodiment of a professional and a trustworthy teammate. You show up, you lean in hard, and you do the work. And because of this, sold-out stages, soulmate love, and other mind-blowing adventures await. And a truly heaven-on-earth, epic life you will create. Honorable and dear Chayo, You have been SD29's protector from the start. You're a fearless warrior, dependable, committed, and strong. And underneath your invincible armor, you, dear King, are all heart. Our teammate Rachel is honest, powerful, poised, and wise. She is also vivacious and stunning, and although this rarely happens, she's even more beautiful when she cries. One conversation with her will leave your life forever changed. She is that smart and intuitive, we've all come to realize. Joe gave me hope for humanity the night he put on that tutu and danced. He showed us what it looks like to be vulnerable and masculine, and he still does, even though now he wears pants. Lindsay, you sweet, soulful sister slice. You're a cool breeze on a hot summer's day, a warm, calming touch that can melt any heart of ice. Your clear, refreshing aura always seems to remind me that everything is going to be okay. Your quiet laugh, your light, your sparkling smile. If I could, I'd hang with you every day. And team, let's not forget Julia. Holy smokes, watch out, world. She's about to blow up real big and shine so bright, and no one deserves it more. Julia reminds me of everything good that is in our stratosphere. Her ways of being are 100% gold. Her jet-setter vibes paired with her old soul vibes, she literally glows wherever she goes. Let's face it, team. Lydia, she's our glue. She keeps us connected together. She builds us all up and always hearts our posts. So with her love, it simply doesn't get any better. She is constantly amazing us, revealing new versions of Lydia each day. I think it's safe to note for all of us, she's in our hearts to stay. Okay, Alice. Damn, girl, is there anything you cannot do? You're efficacy at its finest and talented beyond measure, and I don't know where this team would be without you. I honestly believe you're a secret genius. Your IQ has got to be off the charts. But just as importantly, your emotional intelligence is second to none because you, my sister, possessed a servant leader's heart. Karen. Oh, hey, goddess. You're all grace and grit. To me, you represent the beautiful integration of mind, heart, and soul. And P.S., your ice bath presentation was freaking lit. Karen was so serious during most of level 1. I don't think I saw her crack one smile. But the Karen we see now is all divine mess and sacred rawness. Yeah, this Karen gets to stay for a while. Ashley, hot mama, boss babe on a gosh darn mission. She is a lioness with the cutest baby cubs ever, and she will stop at nothing to feed them. I love you, my Ashley. I feel so lucky we've crossed paths. You're a brave, tenacious, excuse-removing huntress. If you were on the Hunger Games, I believe you'd be the final one to last. Katie Walker, you are earth-shattering. God broke the mold when he made you. Witnessing you cross over that blue tape has been one of the highlights of my life, and I feel truly lucky that I got to know you. Lastly, my buddy Sonia, you are 1 in a billion, babe, that you can bet on. A queen whose greatness is unfolding right before our eyes. You're the one other young women set their sights on. You're an inspiration, a declaration to girls who haven't yet found the courage to make their own. Believe that, and there is no limit to what you will accomplish in one lifetime from all the seeds you will have sown. I love you, my team, my family, my lifelong confidants and friends. I am so grateful we are at each other's side to walk this crazy life together and know that I am with you till the end.